Welcome to the Simpler Cooking channel. In today's video, we will be making tagliatelle with cheese sauce and broccoli. Clean the broccoli, wash it, and divide it into smaller florets. Peel the stems and chop them finely. Cook the broccoli florets in the broccoli vegetable broth for 4 minutes, then drain them and collect the broth. Peel the onion, chop it finely, and sauté it with the broccoli florets in melted butter. Then add the broccoli broth, in which the broccoli was cooked, cover it, and simmer for another 8 minutes. Cook the tagliatelle al dente in a large amount of boiling, salted water. Drain and let it drip off. Blend the broccoli in the broth into a puree. Stir in the fresh cheese and grated Parmesan cheese and bring to a boil again. Season with salt and pepper. Arrange the tagliatelle with the sauce on plates and sprinkle with ground black pepper and the rest of the Parmesan cheese. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.